Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel AM Gravis. My name is Olorunwa. I'm reaching you live from Lagos, Nigeria. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert cryptocurrency to cash. From any app you are using, whether you are using Binance, you are using Roku, you are using whatever app you are using. But I'm using Roku because I understand Roku very well. But before I get today's tutorial started, if you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe. Click on notification bell. Whenever I upload video, you will get notified. I assume in my observation, every one of us, we have our app we are using. We have Roku. If you are using Binance, if you are using whatever app you want to use. In this video, I want to teach you how to convert cryptocurrency to cash. Here we go now. The first thing here to do is to go to Roku. Now, you click on it. You sign in. Now, there is something I want you to understand in this cryptocurrency now. As you can see, let me show it here. Here now is we have, you can see that we have Bitcoin, that is Bitcoins. This one is Ethereum. This one is USDT, and this one is Litecoin. So we have so many of all these. If you have Bitcoin, some of us, okay, let me first explain what we understand by cryptocurrency so that every one of us, we know what I'm really saying here. Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transactions. It is a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone, anywhere to send and receive payments. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in the public ledger cryptocurrency store in digital wallet. Now, we have Bitcoin now. We have Ethereum, we have Litecoin. Now look at my Litecoin. Can you see this money? Look at this one. That is my portfolio. This one is my crypto. Under this crypto is Litecoin. Litecoin now, my Litecoin is 15,641. As at yesterday, this money is 13,400 as at yesterday. But now is 15,641. Look at my what I have at this one now. So this is the total Litecoin. One Litecoin here, one Litecoin is 63,738. As long as this thing is moving forward, tomorrow you might see it at 64. Definitely the one you see here, this 15,000 naira 325 will what move up now. So this is how you understand what we mean by crypto. Now I want to convert it to cash. What can I do? Look at it here now. My balance is 1 naira and my cryptocurrency value is 15,641 naira, and I need cash. I want to spend cash. What can I do is to go here. I move to crypto and I want to sell immediately. By the time I press or click on this sell notification, automatically the money will go back to my main account, and from there I will transfer it to my wherever where I want the money to go, whether my bank account or my commercial bank account. Now, I want to sell part of this now. As you can see here, I have Litecoin 0.2404. So that is the Litecoin I have. And then in summary, sorry, let me go back to that Litecoin again. In summary, 0.2404 equivalent to 15,325. And don't forget that the money I used to buy this Litecoin is I used 8,000 naira to buy, and you can see how it grow. But Litecoin or any cryptocurrency is for futuristic. It's not meant for whether tomorrow you just deposit your money or you use it to buy Bitcoin or Litecoin today and you are expecting huge amount of money. I used 8,000 naira. My 8,000 naira has, increased to 15,000 naira. But our video is here to convert it to cash. Now, I want to sell part of this one. I will click on send button. So enter amount that I want to sell. Now, I want to remove 5,000 naira from here. I want to convert it 5,000 naira. Proceed. So it will ask you to proceed. You press proceed here. Now, so you allow it to pump up. It's moving because of the yes. As you can see here now, currently we have 63,624 naira 32 kobo as per Litecoin. One Litecoin, this is the amount of one Litecoin, and I want to sell 0.08015 Litecoin. So the service charge is there. Those that have the app will charge you normally, so that is normal. So I will get 5,000 naira out of that money. So the next thing here is to to accept. Now you click accept. So you have to wait to load. The network is bad here. Don't forget I'm converting crypto to cash. The crypto I have is the one I'm converting to cash. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see that says successfully. I have sold 5,000 naira out of 0.02040 the Litecoin I have. So we now move back to my wallet now. What do you see here? You can see that I have converted, I have sold part of my Litecoin and I've sold 5,000 naira. You can see the 5,000 naira balance in my wallet, my Roku wallet, and you can still see 10,513 naira as my in this Litecoin. So you can see now I still have 0. Let me show you very well so that you can see what I mean. I still have 0.1603, which is equivalent to 10,197 naira. Who knows what may happen tomorrow? It can also increase. It may increase in the next 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. You will see that this money will what? Will germinate. So whenever you buy Litecoin or Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency and you want to sell it, you will not sell it at the rate of what you buy it. So definitely it will increase. So this money now I have If I want to withdraw the money, this 5,000 naira now, I think I have taught you how to withdraw from your Roku account to using Raven. So you can withdraw it, take it to Raven. From Raven, you will sell it. You will take it to your commercial bank. So ladies and gentlemen, if you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for our next video. Peace.